Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to sell your products on TikTok Shop directly from Shopify? Today I am going to show you how to connect TikTok Shop to Shopify step by step. First of all, go to Apps, then click App and Sales Channel Settings, then Shopify App Store and search for TikTok, then hit enter. Now select TikTok apps and click install on the official TikTok app by TikTok Inc. But this app isn't compatible with my store because I have no uh, paid subscription. Once installed, approve the required permissions to integrate with your Shopify store. Next, log into your TikTok business account if you don't have one. Create one at business.tiktok.com. Before proceeding, after logging in, connect your TikTok shop to Shopify by selecting your business and granting access. Now sync your products to TikTok shop. Now sync your products. Go to the TikTok app in Shopify, find product sync option and choose which items you want to sell on TikTok shop. You can enable auto sync for automatic updates or manually select products. Make sure auto order sync is enabled so TikTok orders appear in your Shopify dashboard. Also confirm your payment settings in TikTok shop to receive payments. And start selling and track performance. That's it. Your Shopify store is now linked to TikTok shop. Monitor sales in the TikTok app or Shopify dashboard and start selling to millions of TikTok users. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.